Hello buddy and welcome to my channel. I'm assassinghost and today we are going to see how you can stop Windows updates. Yes, of course. It's a real problem if you're on a metered connection or if you're like playing a game. For example, if you're playing any game and suddenly your Windows decide that it's a great time to update, then you will receive high ping and you will receive latency and your whole experience will be like it will be ruined, to say the least. So there are some instances where you will really want to like stop your Windows update. And actually I want to recommend stopping your Windows update because Windows update are like really necessary. Like apart from the fact that in October update they were deleting your files, which was nothing like but they are still important. They will give you some security updates. Oh my god, what's this? Start action. Okay, yes, of course, whatever. And they will give you security updates. They will update your Windows Defender. They will give you latest like latest security patches, some modifications. They will fix some bugs, patches. They will patch some fixes, yeah, whatever. So basically, and also you can get some things like dark mode, which I told you how to enable in a previous video. Be sure to watch that. And basically, but it's still, you need to disable it sometimes. So let's go ahead and find out how you can do it. But before, I'd like to let you know that this video has been sponsored by Honey. Honey is a free Chrome extension which automatically find and apply coupon codes when you shop online. Stop searching for coupon code in sales, click on the Honey button during checkout and Honey will automatically apply coupon codes to your shopping cart. Just click the link given in the description down below to learn more. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about how to disable. So first of all you need to do is, this is the simplest way. So basically you can go ahead and click on your Wi-Fi or your Ethernet or whatever network you're connected. Just click on properties, and once you do that, you will have to check this box. If you it says here that if you have a limited data plan and want more control over data uses, make this connection a metered network. Some apps might work differently to reduce data uses when you connect to this network, of course. So you can just go ahead and toggle it on, but your Windows will still update. Like they don't care what you do. So there is a second way. Click on your file explorer, click on computer, go to manage with the system management. Basically, once you do that, you have to go to services and applications, which you can click by accessing right here, or you can just go ahead and click here, whatever. Once you do that, you have to go to services, and after that, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, and find something like Windows Update. It's stopped for, I don't know why. First of all, you have to go ahead and click. So for example, let me just go ahead and start it. So by default, it will be like running, and startup type will be automatic. So basically, this will be your default one. Startup type automatic, and the service status will be running. So all you need to do is just go ahead to the startup type, click on disable, and press this stop button. Once you do that, click apply, and voila, you're done. Also, if you want, you can just go ahead and do it manual. So if you want, you can start it. If you want, you can stop it. But in my case, I'm just going to leave it on automatic. I'm going to start it because I love Windows updates. And once you do that, just go on doing your business. And this was like a really short tutorial on how you can stop your Windows update. Basically, this was the easiest tutorial you can find. There are other way to enable and disable Windows update using the CMD or doing other shenanigans, but this was the smallest and the easiest way you can disable your Windows update. So basically, if you like this video, please make sure to hit a like on the video. Also, subscribe to my channel. We are so close to hitting 1K subscribers. Yes, 1K subscribers. And be sure to share with your friend who is like really in deep trouble because Windows decide to update when he wants to play a game or something like that. Be sure to check our sponsor for the video, And as always, thanks for watching. Peace.